पणजी शारांतले स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम तितलेशे दर्जेदार ना अशें पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश म्हणटा। PWD कडेन तांत्रीक अधिकारी आसतनाय 8 कोटी रुपया मोडून सल्लागार नेमला, ताका लागून हांवें भितर हस्तक्षेप करूंक ना। सध्या हांव ओगी रावन हें पळोवन घेतलो। इतले पयशे जर खर्च केले जाल्यार लोकांक बऱ्या दर्जाच्यो सुविधा मेळपाक जाय अशें बाबूश म्हणटा।
See, I am just doing wait and watch. So now CM is taking charge. Basically, now Sanjeev has been made MD of Smart City. He is well adverse as far as the Panjim city is concerned. He was basically personally involved as far as the Smart City is concerned. All these plans basically were approved during his time. So it's good that he is there.
wait and watch, but in the meantime people should not suffer.
We also want to see that people don't suffer, no? That's the reason I'm saying I'll wait and watch.
But
Wait and watch means what the man. See, that is wait. आता काल कितें जालें तें इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें आहा सगळें हें जालें तें जालें हें करपाक जाय तें करपाक जाय सगळें करपाक जाय तें बरें आहा। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट देखून हांव कितें म्हणटा तुका हांव कित्याक इंटरफियर जावंक ना पळय कन्सल्टंट आहा देर इज वन कन्सल्टंट हू हॅज बीन पेड 8 crore rupees फॉर कन्सल्टन्सी। So I believe actually this consultancy actually should have been under actually supervision of the PWD at least, because you require a local fellow rather than close the PWD office. Why you require a PWD office and all this thing? When PWD engineers and all are there. So everyone is trying to wash their hands. They are saying there is a consultant here. Consultant is basically going to take is going to see into the whether the consultant really knows what is happening or what is underground ground. It is only who knows that the underground thing is the PWD electricity department all those, as far as the laying of the pipes. Anyhow, on what
he failed the lead.
No, हांव फेल जाली काय म्हणून फेल जाली कवतली आतां मागीर पावसा येता
मागीर लेट वेट एंड वॉच आहा पळय तें लेट जावचें ना न्हू।
सी वेट एंड वॉच म्हणजे कितें आतां हांव गेलो थिंगा हांवें तुका सांगलें आतां काम चालू आहा I feel there is substandard work which has been going on as far as the smart city is concerned in main Panaji.